Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate using only chocolate. Forget those powdered mixes. We're going for rich, authentic flavor. First, gather your high-quality chocolate, milk, and any desired sweetener. We'll then walk through melting the chocolate gently to prevent scorching. Finally, I'll share tips for blending everything into a smooth, luxurious drink. Get ready for a delicious, comforting treat in just a few minutes. The secret to amazing hot chocolate starts with how you melt the chocolate. Begin by finely chopping your preferred chocolate bar. Smaller pieces melt more evenly. Next, gently warm about 1 cup of milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat, ensuring it doesn't boil. Once the milk is warm, add your chopped chocolate and stir continuously. The goal is a smooth, glossy mixture without any lumps, creating a perfect base for your drink. Now that your chocolate is beautifully melted, it's time to bring it all together. Gradually whisk in the remaining milk, typically around 3 cups, until you reach your desired richness and consistency. This is also the perfect moment to add any sweeteners like sugar or maple syrup, or a splash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Continue heating the mixture gently, stirring frequently, until it's steaming hot but not boiling. Pour into your favorite mug and enjoy. Your homemade hot chocolate is now ready to be enjoyed. Pour it into your favorite mug and consider adding toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra special touch. This recipe yields a truly decadent drink that's far superior to instant mixes. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat gently. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.